guys, welcome to VChem1. Let's discuss about the classification of crystalline solids. Solids can be divided into two parts, amorphous solids and crystalline solid. On the basis of the crystalline solids divided into four parts, molecular solids, covalent solids, metallic solids and ionic solids. First we discuss on the molecular solids. In these solids, constituent particles are molecules. On the general, constituent particles are three, ion, molecule or atom. But in this molecular solids, constituent particles are molecule. In the molecular solids held together by different forces, dispersion forces, induced dipole forces and hydrogen bonding. On the basis of these forces, it's divided into three parts. Non-polar molecular solids, polar molecular solids and hydrogen bonding. First, what is the meaning of the non-polar, polar and hydrogen bonding? On the non-polar means molecule electronegativity difference between the atom is 0, means delta E and 0. On the other meaning, for example, O2, oxygen, its electronegativity 2.4, 2.4. One oxygen electronegativity 2.4, second oxygen electronegativity 2.4. Means that difference 2.4 minus 2.4 electronegativity difference is 0. Or in other words, we can say that the electron pair are shared equally. Oxygen. This electron pair equal sharing of these two atoms. Because of its electronegativity is same. That's known as the non-polar. Other hand, polar electronegativity is not equal to 0. Means difference of electronegativity presence in the bonded atom. For example, HCl. On the HCl, hydrogen share 1 electron and chlorine share 1 electron. This is the bonded atom. In the sharing of electron, these electron pair are not equally shared between the hydrogen and chlorine. Because of in the electronegativity difference, more electronegative atom electron pair toward the more electronegative. For example, hydrogen plus del charge and chlorine has minus del charge. So electronegativity is more for the chlorine. That way, this electron pair more attracted toward the chlorine atom. That way, this electron pair toward chlorine atom means hydrogen plus delta. Polarity present and its electronegativity difference is not equal to 0. That is the polar. On the hydrogen bonding, for example, we consider HCl. In the H and Cl, hydrogen present means we know that it is hydrogen bonding or not? Not. Because of the only one hydrogen present, it's not meaning it is a hydrogen bonding. But hydrogen atom present between the two electronegative atom, for example, chlorine and this another chlorine. Between them, this known as the hydrogen bonding. First bond always covalent bond and second bond always hydrogen bonding. Consider example, non-polar molecule O2, N2, H2 and inert atom. Whereas polar solid HCl, SO2, NH3. This is the polar example. And hydrogen bonding present when electronegative atom present. For example, you remember that FON, FON, fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. These three are more electronegative in periodic table. So hydrogen bonding present in the between the two electronegative atom. So this is the hydrogen bonding. For example, HF, HF, covalent and hydrogen bonding between the two electronegative atom present. This is the example of the non-polar molecular solid, polar molecular solid and hydrogen bonding molecular. Next, forces of the non-polar, polar and hydrogen bonding. Forces in non-polar is London force or dispersion force, whereas polar dipole interaction and hydrogen bonded molecular solid, hydrogen bond present. For example, helium molecule. In the nucleus, positive charge present, nucleus neutron and proton present, and orbital 2 electron present. And this is the first helium atom. Near second helium atom, where this helium atom comes toward this helium atom, it's present the momentary dipole moment. Plus and minus. Momentary means sometimes little bit of time. Then second helium, in this attraction of force present. This attraction of force is known as the London force or dispersion force. That way same polar dipole interaction. For example, HCl. In the HCl, dipole means when more electronegative atom present in the molecule, electronegativity more means electron paid toward the more electronegative atom. It's produce the dipole. Dipole, this is the minus del charge, hydrogen plus del charge. It produce dipole means that way dipole indicate low electronegativity to high electronegative atom. H plus Cl minus, minus del plus del. Nearly another HCl, H plus Cl minus, plus del minus del. This is the force of attraction. This force of attraction is higher than the non-polar because of the in this electronegativity difference is present. In this electronegativity difference is 0. So that known as the dipole interaction. Other dipole present, that way interaction. Third, hydrogen bond. For example, ice. Hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen more electronegativity than the hydrogen. So oxygen has a minus charge and hydrogen has plus charge. On the hydrogen bonding, definition is the hydrogen bonding between the two electronegative atoms. Another hydrogen and this is connect oxygen. Hydrogen bonding between the two electronegative atom. So this is the first covalent bond and second is the hydrogen bonding. In the strength of these three, non-polar bond London force is less London force then dipole force, dipole induce or interaction and hydrogen bonding. This is the order of the strength. Means London force is less than the polar and hydrogen bonding. Another word, hydrogen bonding is stronger than the polar and non-polar. Next, characteristic of the molecular solids. The non-polar, they have a soft solid. Polar also soft solid and hydrogen bonding also soft solid. Next, conductor of electricity. Polar non-conductor of electricity. Because of the it consists of the neutral molecule. Helium 2. Helium and helium. Electronegativity difference 0 means no charge present. No charge present means it is a neutral molecule. That way polar, it also non-conductor of electricity. In the, for example, H plus Cl minus. HCl, second HCl, HCl. But in this plus and minus attract each other and cancel out effect. This is the non-conductor of electricity. Hydrogen bonding also non-conductor of electricity. Then third, melting point is lower than the polar and hydrogen bonding. Because of the melting point depend on the interaction or intermolecular forces. In the non-polar, intermolecular forces is very less than the polar and hydrogen bonding. So its melting point is less. Second, polar, its melting point is less but it higher than the non-polar. Because of the its intermolecular forces is higher than the non-polar. And the hydrogen bonding, its melting point lower but it's higher than the polar and non-polar. So this is the all about the molecular solids. Molecular solids divided into three: non-polar, polar and hydrogen bonding. Thank you.